Hey, so today we're going to the Foodie space in Pasadena, which is like this museum that's interactive and has a bunch of like foodie items. I'm going with my sister and my niece, so let's go. This is the parking lot. Hi. Where are we going?
Wait, where?
Huh? Me?
Jumper.
Yeah. What's wrong with the jumper? Hater. I know that.
Don't touch me.
Go stand right there. Yeah. Boba, count them. How many? 1.
And just to let you guys know, this is an interactive museum. You guys can interact with most of our work in the museum, but because everything is handmade and painted by our art.
Girlfriend, let's go. French fries. Oh, I want one. Do you want one? How do you? Oh, I think so. No. Fries before guys. Isn't that right? Sorry. Sleeping Beauty. You Sleeping Beauty? You are egg? Can I eat you? Okay, let's go in. Go in. Whoa. Oh, my bad. Oh, it's very soft and it hurts. I'll pour you some tea, okay? Ugh. Here you go. Do you want some more? Oh, okay. What about you? All right. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much. Arigato gozaimasu. Yeah. Hey, I can barely see you. Do I look like an egghead? Kind of.